Hello, welcome to another video. In this video we will be adding a new functionality, that is the brightness changing in our image editing software. So let us create a new file. Let us name it as image editor v7. Let us copy paste our previous code over here. Alright, so in this video we are going to change the brightness of the image. So for that what we will do is we'll write a few lines in our brightness callback function. Okay, so let's get started. So remember we have passed here an argument, that is brightness position, right? But this is of string type. Okay, so we want to convert it into a float type so that we can use that parameter for changing the brightness. So what we will do is we'll write brightness position, and this will be equal to float, and we'll pass here brightness position. Okay, so now this has been converted into float type. Now we will define a global variable, and we will name it as output image. Okay, and now let us say a temporary variable enhancer, and we have to call a method called as enhance, which is going to enhance the image, the brightness of the image. So image enhance dot brightness and we'll pass over here the original image. Now here the image enhance is showing error because we haven't imported the image enhance package. So for that we are going to import the package. So from pil import image enhance. Alright, let us go back to our method. So image enhance dot brightness will be, and we will pass original image. Now we have to change the brightness. So for that we'll write output image, and this will be equal to enhancer dot enhance, and we'll pass here brightness position. Okay, and now we will call the display method, and the name was display image. So we'll pass here output image. Alright, that's it. So let us try to run this code. Right click, run. Okay, we'll click on import, and let us say we'll select image 1, open. You can see the image has appeared. Now we'll just move the brightness indicator. You can see the brightness has changed, and it is now here the problem is the brightness bar is starting from the 0. We want it to start from 1. So 1 is the ideal position for this brightness indicator. So let us make that change. For that we'll go to the brightness slider, and here we'll add brightness slider dot set, and we'll pass the parameter 1. So now by default the value of brightness slider will be 1. So let us run this again. You can see the value is 1. Now we'll click on import, and let us open this image. Now if I move to the left, the brightness is going to decrease, right? Similarly, if I move this to the right side, the brightness will increase. Okay, now if you want to save this image, let us make the changes for saving this image. So in the last video we have written the save method. In that we passed original image for saving. Now in this, now for saving the edited image, we want to save the output image, right? So we'll, instead of original image, we'll pass here output underscore output image dot save, right? So let us run this again. Import image 1. Okay, I'll just increase the brightness. Okay, now we'll just click on save, and let us I'll just name this as bright image and save. Let us close this. We'll go to desktop and we'll open this image. You can see the brighter image has been saved like we wanted, and the image is saved in the original resolution. Like if you go to properties and check the details about this image, you can see these are the original dimensions of the image, and what we are displaying is the resized image so that it can fit in our screen. So that is it for this video. See you guys in the next one.